currently working on a project that I've been wanting to share, and yeah, I've always been inspired by people who do this kind of stuff. So I'm currently building a truck camper that I purchased. It was a 1974 truck camper that went in an 8-foot bed, with the intention of shortening it to fit into my 21 F-150 with a 5.5-foot bed. So I got it and gutted it and modified it. Here's my truck here. So that's the bed that I have. I really wanted to be able to shut the tailgate, so I made it to be 5.5 feet long so I can shut the tailgate. And then there's a little bit of an overhang inside, so I'm actually able to shut the tailgate to travel and then use it kind of as a porch when I'm not traveling. Yeah, so I'm at Lowe's right now. I haven't taken any videos or pictures of the process or the project thus far. So unfortunately, this is the start of my videos. Yeah, I'm at Lowe's right now. I'm gonna get some stuff for the roof. I've already got the trusses framed. It was kind of a short height truck camper. It was really meant, I think, just to kind of go inside and sit straight down, and I wanted to be able to stand up in case I was changing or something like that. So I just last weekend I tore the roof off of it and kind of did more of a slanted roof, yeah, so I'm gonna go into Lowe's right now and get some stuff with my daughter, and yeah, we'll see you guys soon. This is my Blue Eddy. This will end up being the heart of the camper. It's the AC 180. I've had it for a little while, and I had it in a previous camper. And then this is a power socket, so I can plug 110 in and have 110 inside the camper. Yeah, so got that, and yeah, now I'm gonna grab my kiddo. This is my daughter Joanna. Say hi, Joanna. Can you hold this real quick? Okay. Hold on to it good. Jeez. Okay, get your arms out. We gotta get you some socks or some shoes. Okay. You wanna hold this again?
Who's that, buddy?
Can you hold this again?
Who's that, buddy?
You gotta sit down.
Very cool, huh? It's very cool for you.
That's true. All right, you ready?
Yeah. I'm holding on to that.
Okay.
I'm holding on to that.
I got it. Let's go. You gonna hold Daddy's hand? So I've already put a couple windows in the camper, but I think I'm going to look at getting a couple more. Yeah. All right, so we're at the shop that I rent from an equestrian center. Yeah, my girlfriend also keeps her horse here, which is pretty cool. So we can come here at the same time and do our own things. Pulling up at the shop, baby. Because we want to. She's in the asking why to everything phase. Oh, why this and why that? Talking to the camera. People that are going to watch my videos, hopefully. You know? Let me see your hands. Oh, okay. Let's give you a wipe. So this is the camper that I've been building. That color on the left, I think, is the color I'm gonna go with, not the orange. See, I did the peaked roof. It has like a 5-inch overhang, I think. And then I just did house windows, like TS 111 siding. And then I got some powered camper jacks. I actually got those for free on Craigslist from some old guy. I bought the brackets from a company. And then here's the back of it. It's got a short door, which I kind of like. And then here's the inside of it. I got some paneling done. And then, yeah, still got a lot of work to do. Paneling here. So you can see the part that kind of overhangs, so you'll be able to shut the tailgate still, but you get an extra foot in here. Yeah. On the right, I'll end up using this space for my Blue Eddy. Right now it's just a battery, because I hooked up all the lights the other day. One here, one here, one here, and then one right here. So I got sheeting on the roof.
Hey, Dad. Hey, you.
Got to get this part done, which is going to be really strange because it's like weird triangles and angles, and I'm not very confident with angles. But yeah, the sheathing is on. Just need to do some of that that overlay.